In this video, we will show you how to remove the belt on Dog Trotter. Okay, what you will need is a number 3, that's a number 3 Phillips head, and 7/16 socket or wrench, either one will work, okay? Now, when you're removing these 4 nuts, you see you have 4 rivets, 4 nuts. We're going to remove the 4 nuts. When you're removing them, you have to have your Phillips head holding the screw, because the screw will try to unscrew when you're taking them off, because these are lock nuts. When you're putting them on, you don't have to use a screwdriver, but when you're taking them off, you must use it. Okay, go ahead, Clayton. And when you are using the number 3, holding the screws with the Phillips head screwdriver, try not to let it slip, because if it slips, it can put a burr on the screw, and that could hurt the dog's path. So always check them afterwards to make sure there's no burrs on them. As long as it doesn't slip, you won't get any. Alright, now grab all your screws and washers, put them together. You have 4 washers underneath there. Okay, now all we have to do now is separate the belt, which can be a little easier with 2 people, but it can be done with 1 person. You just pop it loose like that. Okay, set that down, move your screwdriver and your screws and nuts out of the way. Okay, now if we're wanting to work on the front of the treadmill, all we have to do is just slide the belt back just like that. Okay, if you need to get to anything up here, that's all you really need to do. If you need to remove the belt fully off the treadmill, come here, Clayton, hold this. Let me show them how to do this. All right, if you're going to remove the belt fully off the treadmill, you want to bring it forward like this, tuck it under, and just keep it nice and straight. Just roll it up just like that. And remember, when you take it off, you put it back on the same way it came off. So you just set this right here, make sure you don't kink it up or anything, okay? Then you can check all your bearings, your wheels, and everything, okay?